I'm back, and in this video I'm going to be bringing you information on the maintenance requirements for residential rental properties in the state of Florida. I'm attorney Ali Kassoun of the Tropic legal law firm right here in Deerfield Beach, Florida. Now, if you haven't already liked and subscribed to the Tropic legal channel, go ahead and do that now so we can keep bringing you these informative videos. Now let's start breaking it down. First, it's important to point out that the requirements differ whether or not it's an apartment or a single family home or a duplex. Now, landlords have a lot more responsibility when it comes to apartments than they do for single family homes and duplexes. Now let's get into what a landlord's duties are as far as residential apartments go. So the baseline is that a landlord needs to comply with health, housing, and building codes. And if there aren't any codes, then the landlord needs to maintain roofs, windows, screens, doors, floors, steps, porches, exterior walls, foundations, and all other structural components in good repair and capable of withstanding normal forces and loads. The landlord also needs to keep the plumbing in reasonable working condition. Also, unless the landlord and the tenant agree otherwise, the landlord needs to take reasonable measures for the extermination of rats, mice, roaches, ants, wood-destroying organisms, and bed bugs. When it comes to residential apartments, landlords also need to make reasonable provisions for locks and keys, making sure that the common area's condition is clean and safe, garbage removal, and making sure that there's heat during the winter, running water, and also hot water. Next, let's quickly go over what the landlord's responsibility is when it comes to single family homes and duplexes. Now, when it comes to these type of rental properties, Florida law only requires that the landlord comply with building, housing, and health codes, as well as provide working smoke detectors. However, these duties can be shifted to the tenant if it's agreed to in the lease. So now you know what a landlord's maintenance duties for residential rental properties are in the state of Florida. I'm attorney Ali Kassoun of the Tropic legal law firm. Again, don't forget to hit that like button as well as subscribe to the Tropic legal YouTube channel. Now let's keep learning about